Run, Pray, Heal. It is a movement. What's up, you guys? You know what? This movement is about community. It's about sacrifice. It's about winning. It is about connecting. It's about loving. It is about blind faith. And I want to thank Tanya so much for posting your prayer. I ran and affirmed and chanted that you would seek and secure employment sooner than later. I prayed for your living situation, and I specifically focused on you strengthening your inner strength and your faith and your belief system, whatever that is. I feel like we all can stand to strengthen our faith and our belief system because life is wonderful when it's going our way, when, you know, the money's rolling in, when the checks are coming in and the jobs. But what about when those things are temporarily moving slow? I feel like we really need to tap into our inner strength and faith and be happy amidst the obstacles and the challenges. As crazy as that sounds, it works. I promise you. I have been down to zero driving around LA with hardly any gas in a Jeep, which is a gas guzzler, and I was like, why are you smiling? And this inner peace came over me, and what that lets me know is that I'm always in control. I create everything that's happening to me, and this too shall come to pass, and it obviously too came to pass. And so I prayed and ran for that for you, Tanya. Thank you so much to my client, Karen. I prayed and ran for your mother's health, that her sodium would drop immediately and that she would receive and feel some relief. And I also prayed that you would be strong for your mother and for yourself so that your health isn't compromised, because like you, I too am dealing with an ailing mother. And I prayed and ran, Karen, for your mother's health for a full mile and a half. I prayed and chanted and affirmed for my own mother's health, her inner strength. I prayed and ran and chanted that she would have a change in her belief system and that her dysfunctional cells would be reversed, because I believe in the mystic law. I believe in miracles. And I believe in us, and I believe that our bodies want to heal itself. I know that. Science proves it. More importantly, people are proving every day that we, at the end and the beginning of the day, are in control of our own destiny and our own health. It takes work. Most of us don't want to do work. We want to rely upon Western medicine, and I'm not denouncing Western medicine at all. However, I'm saying that our bodies are intelligent and they want to heal themselves, and we have to do the work. We have to investigate and do the research. Today was challenging for me because I've been sad. And I felt like being sad is giving my power away, because I want to live in a space of absolute joy and happiness no matter what is going on. However, I created my reality, which was I was sad. And so when I feel heavy, sad, happy, glad, I run, I work out, and I meditate and I pray. Thank you. I need to pray and run for other people. So thank you for allowing me to do this. Please continue to post your prayers on my prayer wall, www.uniquephysiquesla.com. This is your girl, Fee King. Have a positive and powerful day, week, month, year, life. Peace and blessings. I'm out.